Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your daily energies, guys, Taurus, we are picking few cards. I have a very detailed pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general energies. So these cards may relate to your career situation, Taurus, or your personal life situation. So I'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys, from this deck. Taurus, for your general energies. One more card. So let's see what has come. So these will relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and Devil in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are moving on to something new, guys. Some new beginning is coming in your life today. It may be some new projects or some new collaborations, something which you love and something which you are passionate about, and which is using your skills and talents. So that is what is coming to you today, guys. Something very positive, some positive change. It may be a new love or it may be a new beginning. So something good is what I see, and things are going well in your career or in your personal life. So some new beginning, but you are also having some addictions, guys. Taurus, something you are fighting, maybe some bad habits. This may be your energy or this person's energy. So you are trying your best, putting in lot of efforts, and maybe for some of you, you may see changes in the way things are going in your circumstance. Maybe you are trying and you are coming out of these addictions. That is also what I see, guys. And also, these addictions or these behavior of yours are in some way affecting your life, because you are what to say, unable to see the truth because of these addictions or habits that you have today, guys. So you need to keep a check on that, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards, guys. For that detailed love reading, Taurus, watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 piles here. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can close your eyes and choose the pile. Open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way that reading may resonate to your situation, guys. So I'll be starting with this deck. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So let's see what is coming with the first deck. I will start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so let's start with this deck. I'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. We have a few cards falling out. This is your first card. This is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what is coming for those who have chosen this card. The Devil, 9 of Moons, Postulant of Stars. So guys, with this card, for those who have chosen this first card, in this love, in this connection, maybe, guys, you have that deep physical attraction to them, and Maybe for some of you, you are not even thinking whether you both have something common between you both, something that will bring that attachment and bonding. So you have just rushed towards this person without that deep thought, maybe based on some very superficial things, maybe that physical attraction or that passion you have towards them. So something, some immature decisions would have led you to be in this connection, but you are also willing to change, or they are also willing to change, maybe make some changes, because this situation, maybe for some of you it is out of control. Maybe the way they are behaving, they are reacting impulsively, and it is turning out to be a kind of abusive relationship. So maybe for some of you, you want to change yourself or try and change this person. So if you have love, this person is going to change for you guys, or if they have love for you, they are going to change for you, or if you have love, you are going to change for them. So otherwise things will be difficult in this love, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is coming with the second pile. So with this pile, let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys. So for those who have chosen this second deck, let's see what's coming up. It's 4 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck, so maybe in this love, or in this life together with this person, maybe this person is quite immature. They don't have that clarity in whatever they are doing, guys. And maybe they are also quite careless and lethargic. They are not willing to do anything for you or for this love. And I also see that their careless attitude is bringing lots of difficulties for you in this love, in this connection. And they are going for some immature behavior. They are just dreaming, and they are not ready, willing to do anything for this love, guys. And maybe they are having some kind of weakness also, guys. Maybe they are into some kind of habits, again, that may be really stressing and worrying you. But I also see that things are slowly changing. Maybe if you have that, if you both have love between each other, and if it is true love, this person, if they have that true love on you, they are going to change, and you are seeing some hope in your future, with some changes coming in your situation. Maybe you are proposing to them, or they are proposing to them, or maybe for some of you, you are having a child together. So some circumstances are changing beautifully to bring both of you close together. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.